Hey guys, so this is my everyday eye makeup. Sorry, my dog just like shook my camera. This is my everyday eye makeup look using the amazing Sephora Pro palette. So many beautiful shades that are like transition shades. You have some really pretty shimmers in here. You have some red tones, some orange tones. I think this palette needs to be more popular. Like, I know it's popular, but it's not like in everyone's collection, and it needs to be. I have so many palettes, but this is gonna be the one that I use like every day. I just wanted something that was like neutral and smoky and easy, and this palette is just beautiful. The pigmentation, the blendability, everything about it, I'm just so in love with it. So this is my Sephora Pro palette tutorial. The first thing I'm gonna do is clip my hair back. And I'll be setting my eyeshadow base with the P. Louise Shade 2 Eye Primer. Making sure I get up underneath my eyebrow. And this is like the best eyeshadow base you will ever use. It's like super opaque and covers up all my veins. And then my eyeshadows just blend so great on top of them and last so long. And then I'm gonna set that with some Born This Way translucent powder. And then I'm gonna apply some translucent powder to angle out my eyeshadow. The first shade I'm gonna be going in with is this shade Oat right here. The shade Oat. And I am using a Colourpop E15, which is a big blending brush. So I'm just gonna set my transition shade right into the crease area, which is the space below your brow bone and above your eyelid. And the shade is just showing up beautifully. I thought it would be a very light skin color, but it's actually coming through as this very pretty light brown shade, which is just the perfect transition shade. It's almost the perfect shade between a cool tone and a warm tone. So next I'm going to take the shade right next to it, which is Biscotti, which is a beautiful warm brown tone. And I am using the Colourpop E15. So I just tap off the excess and I'm just lightly going to go in and sketch out the outer crease area, not touching the inner crease area. I want this look to really open up my eyes. I'm then going to take the shade Hazlenut with that same brush. And I'm just going to apply this right below, just below the crease. Right in here, I'm just going to rock my brush back and forth, just carving out that crease area. Keeping it nice and low. Rocking it back and forth. This shade in the outer corner, which is Auburn. This beautiful brown over here. And I'm just going to apply this in the outer V area. Just like patting at first, patting motions, and then blending it out. Then I'm gonna take the Colourpop E18. The Colourpop E15, I'm gonna go with the shade Canvas, which is up in that corner. I'm just gonna apply this in my inner lid to really brighten that up. And then I'm gonna go back in and just blend out those edges. And then I'm gonna brush away the translucent powder. And then with a Morphe JH42 Daybreak Glimmer, this highlighter is amazing. And I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. And then with the Colourpop E19, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Highlight my brow bone with the shade Oat. And you can apply a liquid liner, or you can apply lashes, or you could do a wing, but for me, I'm just gonna go in with an angled brush by Colourpop. This is the E6, and this black eyeshadow on this palette, the shade Obsidian. The black eyeshadow on the palette, and I'm just gonna line my top eyelash line to give it a subtle eyeliner look. I'm going to take the shade Hazelnut and the Essence brush, Smokey Eyes is what it's called, and I'm going to blend out my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take whatever's left on that angled brush with the black eyeshadow and just buff out underneath my eye a little bit. Only in the outer area. And then I'm going to apply some Rimmel London Scandalous Nude eyeliner on my waterline. And I know this isn't a secret to many, but that just really helps open up your eyes, makes you look wide awake, very like, it like tones down a smoky eye and can make it look like everyday appropriate because it's not so harsh with the black liner. But I'm like a ride or die black liner kind of person. It's usually my go-to. I'm going to put on some mascara and then I'm going to apply these lashes. On my lips, I am wearing the NYX London Matte Lip Cream. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite nude drugstore lip product. It's just amazing. Honestly, I'm like pretty much out of it. Like you can't even, I gotta like get the nitty gritty to get it out. Yeah, that's how much I love this. This is amazing. And then because I have smaller lips, I wanted to really plump, amplify somewhat what lips I have. So I use the Boxum Ashley, which is this beautiful nude glitter gloss. So that completes my neutral, easy, toned down, everyday smoky eye. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe.